Section 5. The Road Ahead, Challenges and Opportunities. As we look towards the future, we must navigate a complex landscape filled with both significant challenges and promising opportunities. There are numerous challenges associated with the integration of AI and BCIs in robotics. Technological limitations exist, such as the need for more advanced algorithms and more powerful computing resources to handle complex tasks. Ethical considerations need careful attention. Issues such as data privacy, consent, and the potential for misuse of technology must be addressed to ensure responsible development and deployment. The cost of development and implementation is a significant factor. Investing in cutting-edge technology requires substantial financial resources, which can be a barrier for many organizations. However, the opportunities that lie ahead are vast and transformative. The potential for innovation and progress is immense. AI and BCIs have the potential to revolutionize many industries, from healthcare to manufacturing, by introducing efficiencies and capabilities previously thought impossible. They can significantly enhance human capabilities, enabling people to perform tasks that were once beyond their reach. These technologies can also improve our quality of life, offering new solutions for medical conditions and providing assistive technologies for the elderly and disabled. Addressing the challenges, both technological and ethical, is crucial. Collaborative efforts in research and development, as well as in policymaking, are essential to overcome these hurdles. By tackling these issues head-on, we can fully realize the potential of these transformative technologies, paving the way for a future where AI and BCIs enhance every aspect of our lives. Section 6. A future forged in collaboration. The future of robotics is not about robots replacing humans. Instead, it's about creating a harmonious relationship where both can thrive. It's about robots and humans working together, leveraging each other's strengths to achieve common goals. AI and BCIs will play a crucial role in this collaboration, bridging the gap between human intelligence and machine efficiency. Imagine a world where robots assist us in our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. They help us with household chores, provide companionship, and enhance our productivity, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. This future is within reach, closer than we might think. By embracing the possibilities of AI and BCIs, we open doors to endless opportunities. We can create a future where robots and humans coexist and collaborate seamlessly, each contributing their unique strengths to create a better tomorrow, a world where technology and humanity advance hand in hand.